Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am M.Jeevan pursuing BTech Innovation Institute of Technology. If you are preparing for a Node.js interview, you have come to the right place today. I will walk you through some of the most commonly asked Node.js interview questions with clear and concise answers. Let's get started. Now let's see the first question. What is Node.js and how does it differ from the other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Let's see the Node.js logo on screen. This was the Node.js logo. It is an open source server-side runtime environment built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. Unlike traditional server-side technologies like Apache and PHP, Node.js Node.js operates on single-threaded non-blocking event loop. This makes it highly efficient for handling multiple concurrent requests, making it ideal for real-time applications like chat apps and streaming services. Now, coming to the second question, what is the callback function and in Node.js, and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Let's see the example of the callback function. It was the example of the callback function. A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function in Node.js. Callback functions are widely used for handling asynchronous operations like reading a file or making an API request instead of waiting for an operation to complete. Node.js executes the next instruction and, and instruction and calls the callback function when the operation is done. This helps in keeping execution non-blocking and efficient. Let's see an example for the callback function. Now let us write fs dot read file open brackets single column file dot text txt single column comma single column ut utf utf8 function function then open bracket err comma data and it was the close. Now open the lower brackets and if here we have to write if error throw error throw error semicolon and console dot log of data semicolon and close the lower bracket and close the normal bracket. And this was the example of the callback function. Next we will see the third question. What is the purpose of the package.json file in Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in the file? Let's see. The package.json file serves the intermediate file for a Node.js. Let's see the package.json. This was the package.json. It contains important information like project name, version, dependencies. These are the dependencies. In dependencies, there are the express. This was the express. And now the key properties like the project include name. Name is the solar project and my app, and it was the version 1.0.0, and dependencies are express. Express is one of the dependencies mostly used. And let's see the fourth question. What is the difference between require and import statement in Node.js? Then and why would you use one over the other? Node.js commonly it was the it was common.js versus ES module asking module. Required is used in common.js, where used in common.js modules. Import is used in this module, which are never and follow the latest JavaScript standard. And we will see the example of required. At required, we write constant express equal to require. It means express means common JS. It was for the common.js and now write import means ES modules import express down express transfer without ES modules use require when working with older projects and import for modern ES module based projects. Let's see the fifth question. What is the middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in your Express application? Okay, let's see the middleware flowchart. It was a middleware flowchart. Middleware functions in Express.js are functions that execute between receiving a request and sending a response. You know, receive a request and sending request. We are used for logging, authentication, error handling, and more. The middleware logs every incoming request before passing the control to the standard. Let's see the sixth question. What is the RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods in use RESTful APIs. RESTful API is an API that follows REST principles using HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, DELETE. Only these are API follows for REST principles. UGC tablet browser these are not necessary. For REST API, we only use these four API HTTP request methods, and this was the between the request and response like the middleware in Express.js. Coming to this seventh question, what is the purpose of the Node Package Manager (npm) and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? And let's see the logo of npm. It was the logo of the npm. npm is used for installing, managing, and sharing nodes, Node.js packages. To install package, we use npm install express. To install as a developer dependencies, we use npm install node1 space hyphen save hyphen dev. This was develop dependencies to list installed packages. We use npm list command. These are the commands that Node Package Manager and Node Package manage for installing and managing. Coming to the last question. Why is it important to hash passwords in the web applications? Storing plain text, example, security icons. Let's say security icons. These ones, 24 security icons are there. Storing plain text passwords is a security risk. Hashing converts password into an irreversible encrypted format, making it harder for attackers to gain access. Example using ByScript, BCScript, we will type the constant ByScript required ByScript hash ByScript.hash password and log hash console. We use these are the commands. And that's it for today's video and note on Node.js interview questions. I hope this helps you on in your preparation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding content. See you in the next video.